With the cold weather setting in, it's time to enhance your overall bathing experience by adding an extra element of comfort and luxury to your daily routine. With our extensive range of heated towel rails, you can say goodbye to cold damp towels and embrace warmth and convenience from head to toe. Whether you prefer a sleek and modern look or a classic and elegant design, we have the perfect towel rail to complement your bathroom aesthetics and tie your new space together. With an additional range of sizes, shapes, systems and finishes available, you can find the perfect rail to complement and colour match the rest of your bathroom decor. Most heated towel rails are available with a thermostat that allows you to set the desired temperature. You also have the option of including a timer to ensure that your towels are dry when you need them, while also giving you the ability to control your energy usage. Vertical heated towel rails offer a space-saving advantage, allowing you to dry your towels as they hang down the length of the rail, rather than spreading them out across a vertical space. You can also combine your heated towel rails with underfloor heating using our dual controllers. These allow you to set up an economical, on-demand heating schedule for both your underfloor heating and heated towel rails from the same controller. Please note that there are compliance and safety regulations that must be adhered to when installing heated towel rails, so it's essential to consult a licensed electrician for installation advice. It's time to make your bathroom a haven of warmth and luxury with heated towel rails from the Blue Space, where style and functionality meet.